Hey, welcome back to another video. So if you watched the previous video, you would have known I made this blonde wig and I got a lot of color, so I'm trying to make some rainbow goddessness popping. So I'm just gonna go in and blend all the colors together. I'm thinking rainbow goodies, you know, my rainbow goodies. So this is actually my first time doing so much color all at once, so I'm just trying to use some foil, some hair sheets, just to stop any bleeding or blending that I do not want. Enjoy. I hope you're proud of me. I started in the front and then I'm doing the back. But I'm not actually liking this dark wig cap with this hair now that I'm seeing it. But hey, we're gonna make it work. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it work. So I'm just here pinning down the sheet protector just to protect the colors from bleeding into one another. Even though it's the same color, but better be safe than sorry, you know? As my mother always said, it is better to be safe than sorry. And this wig was actually 4 bundles, but I feel like I should have gone with 5 bundles because I'm seeing some gappiness up in here. Oh yeah, don't watch that. That was just some Inuyasha. I don't even know what I was doing here. I was just going with the flow, making one side blue, one side pink, just to balance out the rainbow hecticness, but it's not too intense for everybody. So I left that on overnight because I was tired, and as you can see, I started in the morning and it's now nighttime. Your girl's tired. I need a break. So I left it and I slept. In the morning I washed it out, just let it drip dry, and here we are. Rainbow Skittle scrumptiousness. As you can see, it dripping still. But yeah, I washed it and let it drip dry. And this is the end result. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you like it, or if I should have done a different color. What color do you want to see next on a wig? Because I'm always up for coloring. Coloring is life. Look at them colors. I'm not even going to put any color editing, because this is just the true color. I want you to see the true color that has been created. I said I was gonna let it drip dry, but I just got excited when I saw all these colors, and I had to go get my Dyson just to give it a little blow dry. So it's just a little damp right now, but I wanted to see what it would be like if I was to put it up. So yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.